Hey guys, it's Lyd. Welcome back to Save with Lyd. And today I'm going to be going over a couple of things. Like my giveaway, which I'm going to be giving the details at the end of this video on how to enter. Today we're going to be visiting Target for a couple of deals, and also we're going to be heading out to CVS. Okay, so let's get started. Right now we're just going to head into Target. We're only going to be grabbing two things today at Target, which are going to be two mascaras, and you're going to get back a $5 gift card when you do this transaction. So let's go ahead and head inside. So you're going to want to head to the makeup aisle and grab two CoverGirl mascaras. So for this transaction, you're going to want to use a paper coupon from the Smart Source insert from the 7/7 Sunday newspaper. Okay, so for this transaction, we're going to grab two mascaras because they're part of this. When you buy two, get a free $5 gift card. We're going to grab two of these CoverGirl mascaras. They're $4.99 each. I'm going to grab one of these dark ones and then a clear one. Oops. And so I'm going to grab another one of these, and I'm going to go ahead and put these in my cart. So like I said, you're going to be needing a coupon from the Smart Source. For this transaction, I did use two paper coupons, but if you don't have two paper coupons, that's alright. You could go ahead and use this one that's in the Smart Source, and then you could go to coupons.com and you should be able to print out this $2 off CoverGirl mascara and be able to use that in this transaction as well. And that's it. And you're going to want to head out to the checkout, and you're going to want to scan both the mascaras and then the two coupons, and it should come out to $5.98 plus tax. And as you can see up there, it says buy two, get a $5 gift card. You're going to be receiving a $5 gift card back. So as you can see here, I have the two paper coupons, the two mascaras, and the $5 gift card that you receive when you buy the two. And here's my receipt, and you can see the total came out to $5.98 before taxes, and I got my $5 gift card, making the total for the two mascaras only 98 cents. And that's it for Target. Now we're going to be heading out to CVS, and we're going to get a couple household items. This transaction is going to be a little more out of pocket, but you are going to be receiving a $10 extra buck reward, which you can use towards the next transaction we're going to be doing next week. Or you can use it for another transaction in the store on whatever you'd like to buy, like food, maybe baby items, or maybe something else. You could literally use it on anything in the store. Okay, so now we're going to head into CVS. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have a CVS account. These are free to make, and they do give you a lot of coupons and a lot of savings. So once you grab your cart, you're going to want to make sure that you do have a CVS ad, and then you're going to want to head over to the coupon machine, which I call the red box, and you're going to want to go ahead and make sure that you do have your account and the phone number attached to the account, because in the system you're going to have to put your phone number, and then once you do, the machine should start printing out any coupons that are attached to the account that you may have added, or the weekly coupons that do come out for CVS. Once they start printing, you're just going to want to let them all print out, and then when it does stop, you may want to put your number in one more time, because sometimes it'll print out a couple of other coupons that didn't print out the first time. So like I said, you're going to want to have one of the CVS ads, and today we're going to be doing this deal where you buy some household items and then you get a $10 extra buck reward. In order to get the $10 extra buck reward, you're going to need to spend $30. So the first thing we're going to grab is one of these Tide bottles, which are on sale for $5.99. And in your CVS account, there should be a $3 off coupon. We're going to want to apply that to this. I'm sorry, they're $5.94, not $5.99. And we're going to grab any of these bottles you see here. The $3 coupon does attach to these. And next, you're going to want to get a Gain bottle. And these are on sale for $5.94 as well. And we have a $2 off coupon Gain liquid. And you're going to want to put that in the cart. I'm sorry, I forgot to say I grabbed a Tide Pod. We should have a $3 off Tide Pod coupon as well that we're going to go ahead and put in our cart on the CVS app. Next, we're going to want to grab a Gain Sheets dryer sheet that is a 105 count on sale for $4.94, and we do have a $2 off coupon as well. As you can see here on my CVS app, I do have the 2 Tide coupons and the 2 Gain coupons. If you want to screenshot this, go ahead so you know which coupons to go ahead and apply to your cart. Next item I'm going to want to grab is some Crest toothpaste, and I'm trying to look for the cheapest one, which is probably going to be this Crest 3D White. That's $3.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of these. They have to be the 3.0 or 3.5 ounce. I didn't want that top one because it was open. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in my cart. So for this transaction, we're using 2 coupons. One from the P&G insert and then one from our CVS app. I did also get this $3 off $6 Crest toothpaste coupon. These are the 2 paper coupons I'm going to be using. And I realized I wasn't going to meet the $30 threshold, so I had to run back and get a Downy Unstoppable, which is on sale for $4.94, and we do have a $2 off coupon in our CVS app, which you can see here. I did apply that to my app. Okay, now we are going to want to go ahead and check out. I did use a $2 extra buck that I had to my account, so my total is going to be $2 less than what you guys are going to be paying, but that's only a $2 difference. But as you can see, I did reach the amount of $36. He did apply some of the coupons, but we were having an issue with one of the P&G coupons coming off on the CVS ad, but the cashier was able to figure out what he had to do to add that on there. So like I said, my transaction is going to come out to $2 less than what you're going to be paying out of pocket, only because I used that extra buck reward. So as you can see here, all the coupons did come off, and I did only pay the $15.98 out of pocket, and then I'm going to be receiving that $10 extra buck reward. So as you can see here on the bottom of my receipt, it did print out that $10 extra buck reward, making it only $7.98 out of pocket. So that's everything we did get at the CVS. And in this next picture, that's everything we got all together in both transactions today. Next, I'm going to be showing what I'm going to be giving away in my giveaway and the details on how to enter. Everything in this picture is going to be included, which is a tumbler, a clay mask, a notebook, pencils, and a little goodie bag. Rules to enter is 1, you must subscribe to my channel. 2, tag 3 friends on my Instagram post, which I'm going to post a picture of this picture, and my Instagram name is SaveWithLyd. And 3, like and comment on this video to let me know you did so. And if you would please leave me some feedback in the comments, it's well appreciated. Thank you for all the support. It means so much to me. Subscribe and you too can save with Lyd. And until next time, bye!